Hello friends, I'm back. Today we'll be doing an unboxing of an order I placed with Ecuagenera USA. I've ordered from Ecuagenera before, but from their Ecuadorian nursery, and this will be my first time ordering from the USA, which is down in Florida. The ordering process went seamlessly. You get your order confirmation immediately. Everything was smooth sailing pretty much, even up until delivery. I really like the plants Ecuagenera offers, and their prices are also really good. Even the same can be said for the USA branch. The packaging is similar to that of Ecuagenera Ecuador, with the exception that these are still in the pots. Usually when you order from Ecuador, they come in those brown paper bags. First up is Cattleya Sapphirata. This is a hybrid. I'm very excited for this one. I didn't anticipate it would be this big, but that's okay, we will find a way. I'm very pleased with the packaging. The plants traveled very well. They arrived, as you can see, in great color, looking healthy, no shriveling, but not sopping wet either. They placed some moist paper towels and then taped it over so that it retained some moisture but wasn't dripping wet, as I've received some orders as well in the past, but not from them. So this plant didn't have an ID tag, but it's Cattleya maxima, the tall variety. I have to say I'm very pleased with these plants. They look to be in great health. The color is perfection and the canes look super healthy. There's one leaf on the Cattleya maxima that's black or like a dark purple color. I'm not really sure what that's about, but I will definitely keep my eye on that and see how that progresses. A little background and imagery. This is the Cattleya Sapphirata flower. Gorgeous! It's a hybrid of Cattleya canhamiana and Cattleya maxima. Its species ancestors are Cattleyas maxima, purpurata, and mossiae. This here's my Cattleya maxima. It's a species plant found in nature, and it's well known for that yellow stripe down the lip. I am so happy with these plants. I would definitely order from Ecuagenera USA again, noting the purple leaf, but other than that, the plants are in great health. Cattleya Sapphirata actually has a dried sheath, and both plants have new growths, so I'm just super pleased and look forward to blooming these. Hopefully my next update on these two will be just that, some blooms. But for today, that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time, guys. Bye!